The mission of the 563rd Rescue Group is to conduct combat search and rescue operations around the globe. We organize, train, and equip our pararescuemen, HA-60 and HC-130 air crews to work as an integrated team capable of saving isolated airmen, Marines, sailors, and soldiers anytime, anywhere. Our rescue airmen represent the only dedicated rescue force in the Department of Defense, and they live by the motto, "These things we do that others may live."
We wouldn't be able to do what we do without the 55th RGS. We work with the 79th. We do HAR, or helicopter air-to-air refueling, with them on a pretty often basis just to maintain our currency, as well as doing any large force exercises. They'll work as our C-SOAR-C, or our search and rescue coordinator, and helps pass through pertinent information. Additionally, we have the 48th and the 68th Rescue Squadrons, so we'll work with them as our Guardian Angel units. We'll, again, maintain proficiency in our various ways of doing insertion and extraction, whether that's through fast ropes, rope ladders, hoists, rappels. We'll work all of those both on land and in the water, so we are constantly preparing for future fight. So as far as working with the A-10s here at Davis-Monthan, they'll work with us as our rescort for any of our larger exercises, our SAR-TAFs, and help to clear the area that we're going in as the rescue vehicle.
So at the 48th, our main objective is to execute worldwide operations in support of COCOM taskings. Additionally, we support humanitarian operations, civil SAR missions, as well as human spaceflight. The 48th essentially is one leg of the rescue triad, which includes Guardian Angel, the HA-60s, and the C-130s.
The 68th hosts a myriad of training courses. First one being Guardian Angel Tech Rescue. Additionally, we do CTMC. We knock out small unit tactics. We knock out a lot of jumps and dive missions. It's a busy place. It's a small unit, but a large footprint.
The 563rd is a little bit different. Our primary focus is that we will take assets from the different units and then kind of integrate them together to create plans for different exercises, deployments, and missions that we partake in. So whenever you have a large-scale exercise coming up, members of our unit will organize what aircraft are going to be there, how many crews are needed, log deaths, things of that nature, and then we'll push it out to the units, and then they'll follow our plan so that everything works seamlessly and just a well-functioned machine, essentially.
We support the 55th, which is the 60s, and we also support all the PJ units here on base, as well as the reservist 60 unit. Whether that is passing fuel to the 60s, conducting airdrops with the PJ units, or conducting airdrops for our own training, even assisting in Civil SAR. Recently, we had a long-range rescue off the coast of California. We were called to action because the Coast Guard couldn't reach it, so we provided in-flight refueling to the 60s. When we're home station, we sit alert for civil rescues.